Use and characteristics of calcium oxide ball press. Calcium oxide ball press is mainly used for pressing hard to form calcium oxide-like materials. Its characteristics are large forming pressure. The host revolution can be adjusted, equipped with screw feeding device. Calcium oxide ball press is widely used, can be pressed on the following materials: granulation or ball, such as aluminum chips, activated carbon, alumina, bauxite, caustic sodium, charcoal, clay, coke, coal, cryolite, fertilizer, plastic, limestone, pigment, urea, potassium salt, and so on. Calcium oxide ball press can be used to press pulverized coal, iron powder, coke coal, aluminum powder, iron filings, iron oxide, carbon powder, slag, gypsum, tailings, sludge, kaolin, activated carbon, coke and other powder, waste slag, widely used in resistant materials, power plants, metallurgy, chemical industry, energy, transportation, heating, and other industries. By pressing the ball mechanism for forming materials, energy saving and environmental protection, ease transportation, improve the utilization rate of waste, has good economic and social benefits.